All right, this is the top part of page 618, where it says the example. Again, I'm going to say for the 1,000,000th time, I really like these pages because it tells you exactly what to do. It tells you exactly what to do if you read it. So there really shouldn't be much issue on how to do it. Okay, so if we read the part of the problem I didn't write on the board, it said Rob earns $500 per week. He has payroll tax taken out of his earnings. Unfortunately, Rob spilled kale juice on his pay stub. That's a good reason not to drink kale. I don't know, but it's supposedly one of the most healthy foods, they say.
Okay.
But it doesn't look like it tastes good. Covering up some of the values. He knows the other taxes are $10. How much state income tax was withheld from Rob's earnings? So here we have his paycheck. Can we fill in, Oscar, anything else on this paycheck right now?
No.
No. Do we know how much the other taxes were?
No. Okay, yes.
Yes. What are the other taxes?
$10.
Read the problem and it'll tell you.
$10.
$10. Okay, so I know the other taxes are $10 because it says in the problem. Because I like to have as much information as I can, I like to write stuff down so that I have it there because I'm lazy and I already want to look at it in one place if I can. Okay, the first step, it says find the payroll tax withheld from Rob's total earnings. What did we say, David, payroll tax was?
It was the total tax of the income.
Good. It's the total tax taken out of your paycheck. So what did we say this number is, Renaya? What's this income called? Gross income. And that's going to be how much you earned. If he earned $100 an hour on the week of May 1st through 7th, and he worked 5 hours, the gross is the $500. So when you get a job, and they pay you whatever they pay you per hour, you can figure out your gross by just multiplying the pay per hour. Hey, Savannah, how are you? The pay per hour times the number of hours worked. You doing all right, Savannah? You staying awake? Okay, good. Good. It's hard to sleep if you're standing. I can have you stand for the rest of your existence on this planet. Okay, you're good? All right, so we want to find this number here, the total taxes. That's what the first one tells us. So we have to take our gross pay, which is $500. And what are we going to subtract from our gross pay? David?
$77.66.
Not yet. Because we need to find the total taxes. Anna? $390.33. Because this is our net pay. So we know the difference between our gross and our net is going to be the amount of taxes. The difference between our gross pay and our net pay is going to be the amount of taxes. So we have to subtract $500, subtract $390.33. And Hannah, what'd you get when you subtracted that? $119.67. We're good with that?
No.
No?
No.
What'd you get, Preston? $109.67?
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yep.
I got 422.
So $109 and what?
67.
67 cents. So this number right here is the payroll tax. That is the total amount of money taken out of his paycheck, out of Rob Alexander's paycheck. The total amount of money, also known as the payroll tax, that my friend David told me, is $109.67. Meaning, federal income tax plus state income tax plus other taxes should equal $109.67. So the three of those amounts should have a total sum of $109.67. And again, I like to write these things down on the paycheck because now I don't have to go to these blanks. It's all written there already. So now it says, add the federal tax and other taxes. I have that there. Federal tax and other taxes. So $77.66 plus other taxes, which are $10. And this is going to tell us the taxes he knows, that Rob knows, before he spilled that yucky kale juice on his check. Okay? So $77.66 plus $10 is how much, Taylor? $77.66. Good. $87.66. $87.66. So now, that's the amount of tax we know. I know, Savannah, I know, Miss Davis needs you. I know that the federal income tax and the other taxes adds up to $87.66. I don't know this amount, but I know $77 and $10 is $87.66. And this amount is going to be the difference between this and $87.66. As it says in the next step, subtract the total of the federal tax and other tax from the payroll tax. So we subtract the total of the federal tax and the other tax, add the federal tax and other tax, which is how much?
$87.66.
$87.66. We subtract that from the total tax, the total payroll tax. And as my friend David told me, payroll tax is how much comes out of your paycheck. So we're going to subtract the payroll tax from the total taxes, which is $109.67. So we want to find the difference between $109.67 and $87.66, which is what, Scarlett? Have you done that part yet? Not yet? You're doing it now? Okay, we'll wait. Patience. Not patience like that go to the doctor's office. Patience means like being willing to wait. Not, hey, I think I broke my leg. I'm going to the doctor's office and they put a cast on it and you're a patient. Not what I mean. Quiet. Silencio, mis amigos. Say how much? $22.01. We all agree on that?
Yes.
So that tells me my state income tax is $22.01. And so he can write that on his paycheck right over the top of the kale. Maybe put some whiteout on it and put it over the top of the kale.
Oh, it's kind of like the gross income.
It is gross, but it's not the gross income. Delaney. You like kale? Good. It's green, so I like to stay away from green foods. Peace out. Love you. God bless.